Tired of dust, crumbs, and pet hair making a mess of your car? Today we're reviewing the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, a compact 2-in-1 vacuum and air duster designed to help keep your car, home, and office spotless. Let's see what it brings to the table. The KMM Handheld Vacuum combines powerful 9,000 pascal suction with air dusting functionality, making it a versatile cleaning tool for tight spaces, electronics, furniture, and vehicles. Its lightweight design and multiple attachments make cleaning quick and convenient. Powerful 9,000 pascal suction. The high-performance motor delivers strong suction to remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from a variety of surfaces. 2-in-1 vacuum and air duster. Not only can it vacuum dirt, but it can also blow away dust from keyboards, vents, and hard-to-reach areas. 120W high-power motor provides efficient cleaning performance while remaining compact and portable. Built-in LED light. The integrated LED light helps illuminate dark corners, under seats, and tight spaces for more thorough cleaning. Multiple nozzle attachments. Comes with various nozzles to tackle different cleaning tasks in cars, homes, offices, and around pets. Strong suction power for a compact handheld vacuum. Dual vacuum and air duster functions increase versatility. Lightweight and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere. Dust container may require frequent emptying during larger cleaning jobs. Battery runtime may be limited during extended heavy-duty use. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is a practical and affordable cleaning solution for anyone looking to keep their car, home, or workspace tidy. With strong suction, air dusting capability, and useful accessories, it offers excellent value for everyday cleaning needs. Ready to make cleaning easier? Check out the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner using the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews, cleaning gadgets, and buying guides.